The 6mm Advanced Rifle Cartridge, or ARC, was designed to bridge the gap between long-range effectiveness and practical versatility. Developed by Hornady and introduced in 2020, the cartridge was built to offer superior performance in a lightweight, efficient package. Its primary purpose is to provide precision shooters, hunters, and tactical operators with a consistent, accurate round for medium to long-range applications, particularly in AR-15 platforms. This cartridge really shines in situations requiring flatter trajectories, minimal wind drift, and reliable energy retention.